Hey guys, it's LaMeel from LaMeel.com. I am the money goddess, and I am here with you today because I am doing a really hands-on, work-intensive workshop with some of my VIP clients. They are on a lunch break, and during our dialogue, something really important came up, and I thought I would take this opportunity to record this video, share this information with you, because it's nowhere else on my site, right? And if you are not a VIP client, you are not going to have access to this information. But this tidbit is so important. I think everybody, especially those who are subscribed to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell so you can get the notifications as I upload new videos. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about how you can really accelerate the process of manifesting what you want, specifically money, right? Which is what we are usually speaking about. And one of my clients who is not from this country, right, was really like, how do you do this? I understand the concept. I have faith that this can work, but I really need the money, and I don't know how to desire something and then allow something else to happen, to desire and really want it and not care about the outcome, right? And so their focus is always so much on the needing of it that even though things come very close into the vicinity for the manifestation for them, it eventually disappears, right? Because of how tightly they're holding on to things. So I explained it a little bit differently and in a way that this beautiful person was able to receive it, and I thought that maybe everyone else could benefit from it too. So when we are manifesting money, and I talk about manifesting money a lot, right? And it's like, okay, you set your intention, I need $5,000. And now you let it go and you go be happy and you go enjoy your life and the money comes. And it really does work that way. But when things come in, right, and that the negative comes in, the old thought patterns come in, the old mindset, the old programming, right? Or people from your life who are subject to that old programming show up and they're having these dialogues with you. How do you diffuse that, right? How does your faith and your desire for this financial manifestation, even if it's not really financial, this technique will work, but how does your desire supersede the outside forces that appear and feel like they are coming against you? If you stop desiring the money, if you stop desiring $100,000, if you stop desiring $1,000, if you stop desiring and wanting $1 million, and instead focus on what that money, that freedom, here's the key word, the freedom. Focus on the freedom that 5,000 or that 100,000 or the 50,000 or the $1 million will bring you. Focus on the freedom it will bring you. Freedom versus money. Focus on the freedom instead of being focused on the money, right? And what it does is it changes the vibrational pattern and allows you to accelerate up that was not me. There's animals outside. If you focus on the freedom that the money will bring you, instead of focus on the money, because the money we already are working through blocks and pre-programs and all of these other limiting beliefs regarding money. But we have very little limiting beliefs surrounding freedom and the thought of freedom. So what does having $100 million or $100,000 going to feel like? What is that freedom? What are you going to be able to do as a result of it? Crave the freedom. Crave the freedom of doing what you want, going where you want, being who you want, having what you want, getting what you want, doing what you want, anywhere that you want, in anything that you want, living where you want, eating what you want, enjoying the people you want to enjoy, wearing the clothes you want to wear, just the freedom to choose. If you just focus on you are free, I set this intention, and this intention is going to free me up to do this and to do this and to do this, and I'll be able to do that, and I'll be able to do that, and I'll be able, and all of that energy of being free, right, will bring you up the vibrational scale and bring you into an alignment with what it is that you want. Because if you can feel it, right, and you can hold that vibration, then it will materialize for you. So if you are high vibing in your freedom, and in order for you to have that type of freedom, that money that you set the intention about is required, the money will show up. So you should crave the freedom that your desires will give you versus the physical cash, and the cash will show up as a result, right? And you don't have to deal with all of your limiting beliefs regarding money. You don't have anything holding you back from the thoughts and the ideas of just being free. Right? And there's a lot of music and all types of things that really will magnify the idea of feeling free. So I really, really hope that that helps you. Please leave comments down below, questions down below. I love that. I know I've been out of touch because I've been doing a lot of traveling lately since the holidays. We're settling down into our new house, decorating, and all those amazing things are happening. And so you'll get to see a lot of that going on in the background, a lot of new videos. I have a ton of videos that are coming out for you guys this spring. So if you have not subscribed and you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. Let me know if you like the video. And if you have questions, I always answer all of the questions that are posted below. And if you want to learn more about manifesting money, right now, I have an amazing course. This is a kick-ass. It's a course I'm really, really, really proud of, called Manifesting 1K in 10 days. And my students have had some of the most amazing results. As a matter of fact, everybody here that is attending this intensive with me over the next 2 days started off in one of those courses like 2 years ago. So it's been newly updated. It has some kick-ass information. Everybody who right now is in the midst of that is manifesting money. I go really, really deep into what you need to know to align with your money, period. And the workaround over the concepts of limiting beliefs and things that happened to you when you were kids, and how to deal with all of that so that you can manifest money fast. Right? Because manifesting our bigger desires and our other things can come truly, but it's hard to really get into and be teachable and surrender and trust and believe and all of those things when you don't know how you're going to eat tomorrow, or you don't know how you're going to feed your kids tomorrow. So if you can get into this course and really dedicate, you're manifesting for 10 days. There's actually 14 days worth of content. So you're with me for a whole 2 weeks. And there are multiple trainings and inspired action assignments that you have to do. And it's so much fun. And it is so inspiring. Right now, we're working really hard to get a lot of the comments and a lot of the testimonials into this course to help get you motivated as well. But if you'd like to join right now, it is still in the pre-launch for the pre-launch price. And so I'm going to put all the information down below here, and you can click it if you have any questions, or you can't see the pre-launch price on the website. The regular price is $555. And for those of you who don't know, I love angel numbers, so most of my courses are are priced based on that. But the pre-launch price is $333. There are payment plans available, but you want to be in this program if you are wanting and desiring to learn how to manifest money fast. Right? We're having great results. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad to be back on a regular basis. Thank you so much for being subscribers and viewers. I really, really appreciate you. I feel really blessed by having you guys as my audience. And I just got my notification that my time is up. We're going to be starting training in just a few minutes. So I'm going to go, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.